Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Live Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy Kane. I'm wanting to talk about talk, talk, talk about my different tips for like an aircraft. Like number one, what like number one, you guys could either go like look around the different areas. And and then after that, you guys could either like help out the different people and like the disability class because there's like multiple different stuff like with people with disabilities. Like number one, what uh, I recommend you guys call TSA Cares, and they could help you guys go go look around the different airlines. And and then and and then after that you guys can like go around like the different areas. Like number one, you guys can go on like like a like a big aircraft like an A380. They have like economy class, they have business class, and they also have casual class. And 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 then after that, there there there's like so many like different stuff for different people, like disabilities. Like when you guys go like on a flight, you guys don't know if their oxygen's gonna go. You guys don't know if they're gonna have an accident. You don't know if they're going to do anything. You guys are probably going to think like like OMG, like OMG, we got a problem and we can't do anything about it. And and then after that, you guys could either choose like once you guys touch down, you guys could either go to the car rental or or you guys could touch down and go to like the so like so like a different like radio frequencies like like honestly, you guys cannot use like different radio stuff like on a plane because 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 listening to it, you guys may damage. They may not know where the touchdown is or the touchdown cable. And, and then after that, you guys are probably wondering, Tommy, how in the world do you know all this? It's because lately I have been listening to air traffic control information, and I also been going on FlightAware to go look at the different flights. Like so many different people don't understand about the different ways of flying. There's like private jets, there's like major airlines, there's like big jets like Singapore Airlines, and then there's like small jets like United Express and a couple of Southwest. Now, Southwest is like an all day seating pass. Like you guys can sit wherever on that flight. And that's what I think is really nice about Southwest. And then after that, once you guys touchdown, you guys are probably wondering like where your hotel is. Well, that's going to be the cost of like what time your flight's going to be there. And and honestly, and honestly, and honestly to let you guys know that different airlines go out there and they look for you. And and then after that you guys take a different look like the different airlines and different people like help out and like like you guys gotta think that these people on these airlines take for granted like what you guys say to them. So so if you guys are like having a bad day, you guys like lose your airline ticket, like it's not up to the airline for you guys to keep track of your ticket. They don't have to give you the access of flying if you guys break FAA rules. Now, now what I think of that, which I wish what I could do, I wish I could go with my mom sometimes and watch her fly out of like maybe Indianapolis or maybe Louisville because because honestly watching those kind of flights and listening to those kind of flights on my radio really does make me think like what kind of airline is going out there, like what do we got to do. Is there like different options, or or if you guys think you guys are going high up there in the air, if you guys ever think about going there to Rio de Janeiro, like Rio de Janeiro, that's all the way down there in Brazil. Now, Brazil, if you guys are not comfortable with Brazil right now, like, I wouldn't even recommend you guys fly down there because of COVID. Like, like cruising, if you guys cough on a cruise, you guys will be in quarantine. Like, there, Like, there is like so much right now because of this darn COVID. We gotta understand. Like like some places haven't even opened up to full capacity. Like Snowmelt. Like Light Designs doesn't even have their own day program because of COVID. They actually got that day program shut down. And in Rest Care, they have a day program, but nobody cares about it. And Snowmelt's day program is as bad. Because you guys cannot go on a computer there. You guys cannot take video. Like, there are like so many like different stuff right now with COVID that we gotta understand. Now, I will be continuing making these kind of videos, like giving you guys like my rundown on like COVID related stuff and like different news that I think, which is really interesting because this channel is like my lifetime. And we honestly take care of our people on our channel. Just like the Emanelli family. Because the Emanelli family and a Tim Trekker and PC Dev, they all live down there in Florida. And I'm up here in Indiana. So they have different laws down there in Florida. Their statewide law enforcement uses two different systems, an EDAC system and a P25 Phase 2. And you guys gotta understand, if you guys put those to work, there is like nothing you guys can do. Alright guys, this is your host, Tommy Cunningham, sign out. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.